Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night and turn white gray hair to jet black naturally with very simple ingredients. Restore the melanin production in your scalp. In order to achieve the best results, use that remedy 3 times a week to achieve the best results from your hair roots. It's going to turn to the natural color and it's going to get to the jet black naturally by producing more melanin in your scalp. This is will get you rid of any white gray hair, even if it's genetics. It will work for you my friends, and it's super effective. The first ingredient we need to add to prepare this is 2 teaspoons of almond oil. Then we need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E. Here I'm using 600 milligrams vitamin E. You can use 400 milligrams or any vitamin E available for you. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Now mix well all the ingredients. Once we mix and combine all the ingredients and we get this serum ready, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it like so in your hair roots and massage the hair scalp with it and leave it overnight in order to achieve the best results. Then wash it with mild shampoo normally, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective and super helpful in turning your hair to jet black naturally. To achieve the best results, use this recipe 3 times a week and you will notice a great result. Your hair will restore the melanin production and you will get jet black hair naturally. I hope that video will help you too my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel. Subscribe guys my channel. Turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies and effective secrets, and give that video a like and share it with family and friends. And that's it. Thank you my friends for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.